Hi guys, we want to solve for x in square root of 2 plus square root of x equals 2. So we square both sides of this equation. So we have square root of 2 plus square root of x squared equals 2 square. So from here, we have to recall that if you have x plus y square, this is x plus y times x plus y. So let's apply this to this. We will have square root of 2 plus square root of x times square root of 2 plus square root of x equals 2 square, we have 4, right? So now let's expand this. If we expand this, we are going to have square root of 2 square plus square root of 2 times square root of x plus square root of 2 times square root of x plus square root of x square equals 4, right? So here now we have square root of 2 square, right? Plus, if you multiply this, you are going to have square root of 2x plus square root of 2x, right? Plus square root of x square equals 4. Here you have this cancel each other, these two. So we have 2 plus 2 square root of 2x plus x equals 4, right? So we have 2 square root of 2x equals 4 minus 2 minus x. Then we have 2 square root of 2x equals 2 minus x. So here we can, to make x equal formula, we need to square both sides of this. So that we have 2 root 2x square equals 2 minus x square. So then we have this square, 2 square, multiplied by square root of 2x square equals, this will be 2 square plus x square minus 2 times x. So this we have 4 multiplied by, this will cancel this, multiply by 2x equals 2 square, we have 4 plus x square minus 2 times x, so we have minus 4x. Therefore we have x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 8x equals 0. Then this x square minus 4x minus 8x, that is minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. Therefore, we will have a quadratic equation. And if we compare this with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then we have a equals 1, b equals minus 12, and c equals 4. So let's solve this quadratically. We have, from quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x equals 12, right? So because we are going to have minus times minus 12, so we have this plus or minus square root of minus 12 square, so that is 144, minus 4 times 1 times 4, that is minus 16, divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. So we have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 16, that is 128 divided by 2. So this becomes x equals 12 plus or minus 128 can be expressed as 64 times 2 divided by 2. Then we have x equals 12 plus or minus, right? 60 square root of 64 will give us 8. So we have 8 root 2 divided by 2. Here now we have x equals 12 divided by 2 plus or minus 8 root 2 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So we have our x equals 6 plus or minus 4 root 2. Guys, here you can declare that our x1 equals 6 plus 4 root 2, and our x2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. This is our answer. So, alright, you can verify this. So, to verify, we have square root of 2 plus square root of x equals 2. So, where our x equals 6 plus 4 root 2, and also x equals 6 minus 4 root 2. Substitute this into this equation. Also substitute this into this equation and see so if these answers, this we got, satisfied into this equation. Do that and let me know in the comment section so if that works. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.